In this video, we're going to do a speed test on this Emoko C91 eBike. It's equipped with a 15 amp hour battery, a 1000 watt rear hub motor. It's a full suspension. We're going to do a couple speed runs on this flat ground. It's about 70 degrees. There is about a 15 to 20 mile an hour headwind, so I'm going to do a speed test into the wind and then back down. I'm going to do a couple passes and then we'll take an average of them and we'll see how it does. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to do a speed run into the wind. That's a 15 to 20 mile an hour wind. And I'm going to hit the reset button and we're off. This is with no pedaling. 15 miles an hour in 7 seconds. To 20. 25 in 17 seconds. Probably not going to go much faster into this strong wind. I'm going to try getting low. Alright, on that into the wind, I got to 27.2 miles an hour. That's about what I expected. Alright, let's do a speed test here. Downwind, we're going to hit the reset button. Alright, and we're off. I'll give it a little pedal. 15 miles an hour in 7 seconds. 25 miles an hour in 16 seconds. Get low per second, see how quick I can get up. On that downwind speed run, I got the 31.3 miles an hour top speed. So 30 into the wind, 31. So that's not too bad. Can't complain.
So in conclusion, I was able to get this bike up to a top speed of 31 miles an hour or 50 kilometers per hour. Now, I feel that's limited because the controller under the seat outputs only at 21 amps, whereas a controller with a 25 amps should be able to feed this 1000 watt hub motor and get it to about a 33 mile an hour top speed. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I hope that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.